What's the most important thing? Clean water. As clean as we can get it. Got the garlic in there. Now finally we healthy. Got to make sure these birds stay healthy. And it's time to spray them. So bird number 1 is going to be this crazy looking Serbian. Can't believe it also came with the white tape. That's a bonus. So how we spray? We go underarm, soak it. Gotta change that setting. There we go. I think that's better. Yeah, that's more like. So, do the other side, as so. Make sure you get all the wind. Then, get the tail. Gloves is optional. Alright, so we spray around the nape of the neck, go inside the feathers there, make sure. And that is one sprayed bird. So this is number 2. Cannot wait to see how this one goes. Definitely. There's 4 of these from the same parents, but obviously they have to fly. That's the thing we want to see. The father was pretty good, so we've already done one wing, so hopefully it's going to be alright. I believe so. That's one of the young tipplers. That's him. It's a young fella. So this is bird number 4 now already. So one of the trainers, the monster of the dude, monster. It's massive. So we're gonna do him as well. Give him a nice spray. So that's number 6. Looks similar to the first one because they're brothers. Come up really nice. The eyes are even better on this one. Number 7, one of the whites. The one that flew around, came back, which is awesome. You see, didn't really cut them too much. They're a little older, but I definitely want them to have a month to kind of get knowledgeable. And as you can see, I haven't even sprayed this side. Nothing. That's a good sign. Number 8. Beautiful. Settle. As you can see, I haven't plucked this one yet. It's younger than the others, so give it another month. Definitely. But that's a pretty nice hen. This crazy one that was already flying. It's plucked wing. It's getting there though. It's getting there now. Yeah, I reckon I'll be happy with this one. See how it's going to fly, but it's definitely showing signs that it's going to go up there. Another one of the trainers. It's an all blue, red bars. Early number 13. It's going to take ages. But There's the third one of those nice looking beards. I love the bars in this one. So one of the young of the OG blue red bars. Definitely a younger version of him, that's for sure. And the trademark extra long wings. Actually hasn't got much to molt out. There's a couple left only, because he's been molting earlier than the rest, because he's a touch older. So yeah, we're going to put this one for flying as well. I plucked it. He's a bit young, but it's alright, we'll see how it goes. I reckon he's going to be ready. Number 19. Nice black. Nice old school look. Beautiful. Her feathers are getting there. Again, another couple of weeks. That should be 3/4. Sometimes, if they're not feisty, you can hold them like that and do the wings at the same time. But when they're feisty, you can't do that. You gotta do one by one. But yeah, this is 2 hens that were gifted. So yeah, when they're kind of not too nuts, spray 2 wings, the tail, the neck, all in one go. So this is number 20. Another one of the OG all blue red bars. There's silky feathering in that one. I don't know if it comes through on the phone. Dang. So that's definitely a boy. How crazy is it? It came white. Look at the white. No red bars in this one. The pigeons are actually pretty good. Most of them got like none. Some have just one lice. They're all pretty alright. This one's coming up very nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Number 27. Let's have a look. Yeah, he's got 2 and 2 there. So he's the worst one at the moment. So that's just not bad. I'm just glad I can spray them and they can stay lice free. Not too bad. And that's the 4th one of those 4. Oh, I'm on 28 or 29 now. Lost count already. Let's just say 28. But this one's got the more of the colouring on the wing. Like his old man. I mean, like his grandfather. His grandfather is blue, crazy red bars, OG. father is the OG's red bar blue sun, which is a silver, a beautiful silver boy, white wings, got crazy looking copper bars. This one's amazing, very nice, classic. I love the look of this hen. It just looks amazing. So you've got the beautiful, nice small beak, kind of little bit touch of a curve, nice eyes, nice little crest. That is nuts. That's a half vest though, and a half tonnage. Come up. That's a beautiful hen. Again, this one's straight vest though. Classic. I even like the colour, like that dirty blue with a bit of a check. That's nice. So this is one of the trainers, Tippler. He is a nut. This dude's a nut. There's a little bit of white on the ends. Good bird. Number 38. On the other side now. Man, they're all feisty and crazy. That's number 38. You know what? Some of these I don't even remember who the parents were. I don't even remember. Like, it's like I kind of know, but not 100%. So there you go. Number 44. Nice little black and white. Looks like it's definitely a hen. That's number 44. Number 48. 48. This is from the big blue hen. If you know, you know which one that is. Beautiful hen, sometimes creating reds. It's definitely a boy. He's very young. This guy's a couple months. Man, he's gonna be special. I guarantee that. Guarantee that. Another one of the OG red bars line. Definitely tell from the head. That's for sure. So number 50. Number 50. Dude's massive. He's huge. Got 54. That's a really young one. That's a really young bird as well. But I I did pluck its wings. So number 56. So what I'll do is I'll go down to look at those, look at the colour on that. I don't know if it's going to show properly. It's a crazy colour on those wings. It's another one from the OG red bars. And randomly the last one, number 58. So it's about 58 future flyers. A nice red. Definitely boy. The brother of this one was the red that was flying around with when his wings were cut. Now they're plucked. Same as the brother. So they got a while ago. So hopefully mid past August. Definitely September. They should be starting to fly about, going crazy everywhere, left, right, and wherever else they're going to go. But hey, hopefully then they start to come together as a group, and that'd be crazy if I can get even 40 of them going around as a kit. Be insane. Because we are definitely going to have losses. It's going to happen no matter what, due to whatever reasons. Yeah, that's number 58 right there. Alright, spraying's done. One cage down, one more to go. So tomorrow I've got this loft. There's a nice clean. And there we're all done. And it is all done. So being we're going to be August soon, I thought, you know what? Yeah. So we're gonna get my favourite red pair to breed up. Just for now, we've got this young pair. The hens are bred up already, but the boy is the one that I've cut for future breeding. So he's already paired up. Looks like they're gonna make something there. So what's happened here is one of the young boys has put up 2 hens. So 4 eggs were in there. So what I did is I put 2 eggs over here and 2 eggs up here. Boy's a beautiful young saddle, and the hen, it's that silver one that's sitting on that blue bowl, and also that saddle hen that just went on it as well. So they're both the eggs over there. So I said, might as well. Starting to molt. Looks like he's molting the front. So yeah, I'm just going to give this a clean tomorrow. Clean up the water bottle, put a new garlic in there. There's that. That's the blue hen I'm talking about. Nice big blue hen. So I might put her male in there as well and throw another bowl after I clean up. So I put this black pool in here as well. So they'll be looking for a nest.